Are you getting the Xbox Live error code 0x89235107 on your Windows PC? This error can be frustrating, preventing you from signing into Xbox Live and enjoying your favorite games. But don't worry, in this video we'll walk you through step-by-step solutions to fix the issue and get you back online. First, open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Click on Uninstall a program. Right-click Microsoft Edge and select Change. Press Yes. Press Repair. Wait for the repair tool to fix Microsoft Edge. Now right-click Microsoft Edge Web View to Runtime. Select Change. Press Yes. Press Repair. Wait for the repair tool to fix Microsoft Edge Web View. Now launch your game.
First, open your Xbox app. Click on your username. Select Support. Click on Gaming Services Repair Tool. Press Start Repairing. Wait for your Xbox app to be repaired. First, open the Start menu. Type PowerShell. Press Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Copy the first command that you will find in the description of this video. Right-click the PowerShell frame and select Edit. Select Paste. Now press Enter to uninstall gaming services. Copy the second command that you will find in the description of this video. Right-click PowerShell and select Edit. Click on Paste. Now press Enter. Press Get to download gaming services. Press Yes. Wait for gaming services to be downloaded and installed. Now gaming services should be installed. Type Exit and then press Enter.